Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the battery. Let's tap. Then right here we've got the battery percentage option, so let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got 3 different options, so probably you've got this hidden, so do not show it at all, and instead we've got also we've got additional options like showing the percentage inside the battery icon or outside the battery icon. So basically tap on the option you'd like to use. We've got it inside, so the percentage is a little bit smaller, and sorry, not here, and outside where the percentage is next to the battery icon and it is much more visible. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.